this is the room. I'm not going to go through all the things. I'm just going to show you. Would you open this door?
Just
Can't really see now, can't we? Hi, I'm just doing this for Wiley's Travel Adventures. We're at Gran Canaria right now, and we're at the Playa Del Ingles Abora Buenaventura Hotel. And Mum wanted me to put a little video of the balcony, which we're on, and we're back onto the children's play park. So that's over there, but my daughter and Esme, she's a bit too old for that now. There's a little kids pool there, but around the corner there's like there's two big pools. So one's like a quiet side and one is like a lively side. We tend to like the quiet side because we don't like a lot of ruckus when we're trying to chill out. So Renesme's been playing in the kids pool, but the weather is absolutely spot on. Can't fault it at all. A lot of people have said that it's been cloudy the past few days, so they've not been too happy with it, but as soon as we came we started getting rid of it, so we're not whinging at all. But yeah, this is the view. So I'll send this to Mother now and she can put it on the vlog, but I would recommend coming here. Like, it's had a bit of mixed reviews because a lot of people are like complaining, but I don't know, I don't have any complaints about it at all. Maybe just one tiny one, and that's the children's entertainment, because I think it could do with being like a slightly better. Yeah, so that there over there is where them pillars are. That's the front of the hotel, and then on the other side is the other pool. So yeah, that you can't even see the quiet pool because of these palm trees, but it's behind them palm trees anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna go now because I'll let Mum put this on the thing. Alright, toodle pip.